Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Meet camera failed or not working. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser, log into your account, and once you're on the Google Meet homepage, click this button over here. Left click, choose Site Settings, then over the camera section over here, all right? I want you to focus on the right part, all right? Click on the drop down, then select allow. All right. Once done, you can now close this tab, go back here, then on the upper or top right corner, click on the three dots, then choose settings, go to privacy and security, then site settings. All right. Scroll down until you see camera. It will just be right over here. Click on it, then choose the appropriate camera you are using. Once done selecting the appropriate camera, you can now close this tab. Then go ahead, proceed with using your camera on Google Meet. Everything should now be working smoothly. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.